location, I'm here. I'm here. Angesi. Because nangashi, bro. Nangashile, man. I've been in public. I don't have a bodyguard. My bodyguard, bro. These people of South Africa are my bodyguards. They have to be loyal to me, these people. I trust my people that are knowing my truth. Not the bodyguard. Bodyguard can sell you at any time, bro. My dad got shot when he had bodyguards. So don't tell me about bodyguards, bro. Bodyguards have nothing. They cannot protect my life, bro. Ubaba mo afa now I'm a bodyguard, bro. So I'm a bodyguard, bro. I'm a bodyguard of myself. In South Africa, you only be bodyguard, bro. I'm speaking for them. Things that they cannot speak for themselves. I'm speaking it out. Then someone comes and stand on your path. Actually, no, fanele uyotwasa wena. Phenduka isihlama senje, ulibele ugqilazo emzini yabantu. Ucenta wenza yonke into ulalo ugobela, uvuke sothi wena uyahlola. Uhlolani because ubona inkukhu ekumele ihlatshwe nezimbuzi. When we lose our cars, you can't see them. You can't even tell ukuthi uthabana ukuphi. Yet you claim to be a sangoma as well. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, my lady. You are telling lies to people. No, mina nginedlozi liyakhuluma, then where I am. Ask your dlozi now. Wonke umuntu othi uyisangoma akangene manje endumbeni manje. Akangene manje, will pay you. Ngene endumbeni ungitshele my location. I will give it to people. I know. Mina nginedlozi liyangibonisa yonke into. Alikubonisa, where is my location? Then ibona inkukhu imbuzi inkomo imsebenzi uphahla into ekhanya ezimnyama enjani. All of you have a same language. Tebalekile awuyazi. Makuthiwa okay khuluma ngokuthi imoto yakhe ikubulelahlekile. Hayi sobona mangabe ngiboniswa. Makuthiwa khuluma ngempilo yakhe. Imnyama injani? Leyakhiza izinto ziyalahleka kunjani? Ngibona kuyafika kuyadlula kwenye. Fuck you, bro. You've been lying to these people. Mbona ichitho, mbona amaladi, mbona yonke into. But izinto ezibalekile into these people's life, you don't see them. The person who's supposed to get killed in this South Africa, you are not killing him. He's killing your whole country and you are not killing him. But nifuna kill Putin. Hayi, uPutin siyomngcwabe emathuneni. Why don't you bury your own president lapha emathuneni? All of you are fighting a wrong battle. Fight umuntu weqinisa and fight abantu abadlala ngani. I owe you nothing. I'm just doing my podcast. When you have data, you come and tune me. Then you catch feelings from my talks. Fuck you, bro. I know. Blah, blah, blah. Fuck you, bro. Lamkhulu lo eSnoopy. Mina ngabuthatha isithombe sakhe upresident wena ayosingcwaba le mathuneni. Sibona upresident efa in 7 days. But uzobulala uPutin, someone who is innocent. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, bro. Here you entered your own risk. Because we are going to tell you that you are a fucking bullshit man. And you are not going to stand and say, no. Even if you go to court, I will display my podcast to them and say, look, let me be live. These people will tell you, you entered your own risk in our chair. Then later on, we call you a piece of shit. You go around the corner. You be like, I know, this boy is disrespecting me. What were you doing over the kids' podcast? Move away, you fucking shit. You come here, you want to give us your house rules. We are not in your house here when you shit. We are talking the truth here. So ale uzofuna ukuzophatha la phathwa la. Lana kuona umuzi wakho. This is TikTok. We tell you shit as it is here. Asina mfundisi thina la, asina nyanga, asina lutho. We are with people that are our friends on TikTok. We are speaking the truth. We don't care about your religion here. You don't bring your feelings here. You come here, you tell us what I know, uzofa, when I'm fine with wrong. But your president has been fooling you. Your ANC has been fooling you. You are not killing your ANC. You want to kill me. An innocent soul. Someone like you, poor and struggling like you killing him. People who are playing your life, you are leaving them. I know. Fuck you, bro. Like us nje. if ufuna ukuthi sincenge phuma la asincengani thina la yabo basincenga basifonele basicele ethiwa ngiblockiwe ngicela ungivule because lana sincengi la sincengwa yibona hayi thina thina ngeke thina khohlwa ngeke sikhona thina asincethezi thina lana asinaso isikhathi sokuncetheza lana nje asincethezi la uyangena uyiphoyisa uyisosha we tell you straight on your eyes that you're a piece of shit. We are not begging anyone here. Gift my channel, you shit. Yeah. Nina ihlama giftani channel yami because siyakhuluma la asina isikhathi sokudlala. Gift my channel please. Funa ukwenzani nini? Giftani le channel le. Yi channel efana igift le channel engancingi ikutshela iqiniso balinjalo. Then lama channel la one compromise liqiniso nigijima no gift. Hey Nkosi yami, oh I love that song. Shem, she's so beautiful. Beautiful with what, bro? Stop being a fool, bro. You've been fooled for so long. Following Beyonce ongenandaba nawe. Following NJ ongenandaba nawe. Following abantu abadumile namhlanje bengenandaba nawe. Abanandaba nawe. They don't even come for you when you have problems. When your cars are getting repossessed, they don't care about you. When your family dies, they don't even bring any maize for your family to say, we are mourning with you. They don't. You are just a fucking follower. And you are like, no, yeah, you know what? I'm just going to, for what, bro? Fuck them, bro. I know. What are you doing, bro? Ulandele labani, yo. Yes, let me take this thing and pen it. I know. I'm coming, khonde ngisayibasa la. Phela ngeke mina ngidlale ama flies nje ngento engekho. Ngeke ngidlale ama flies mina. While I have into yokuwaqeda, I can't. I can't play my flies, Benjamin. Yeah, now you are going to die, my friend. For touching a wrong person, you are going to die. Yeah, that's what I do. When people irritate me, I remove them. I'm also removing you now. Yeah, because you are irritating me. You are a fly. You must respect me. I'm Putin. Mina, lende no bro, mina ngizwa kahle. Nina nivulelo ama live. Umuntu kuleyo live yakhe esangoma sekutshela ukuthi phuthuma uzolungisa into zakho because lenkingi izokuhlupha next week. Fuck you, bro. If I didn't join that live, you mean I was going to die? Fuck you, bro. Tshelo isangoma uthi woza next week ngoba woza before Friday ngoba mangafiki Friday kuzoba nenkinga ezokuvelela. Fuck you, bro. I never even had data to join. Someone just connected me. And then usungitshela ukuthi wena kunenkinga efanele wena ungilungisele yona. If awungilungiseli yona then ngizoba nenkinga. Fuck you, bro. Mtshele lo zonginika inkinga ukuthi ngithe fuck him again. Because ayikho lento yeni yonke, bro. You've been threatening these people's lives. And these people have been scared of you. Huh? Fuck you, bro. Ubuskhofu umdlwenguli umbulali ula ubumehlo ukhona la yini lo lo mbulala ukhona la. Yes, I know ukuthi nentombi yakhe la yakipite nayo. Omakhosi benu bonke laba abagcwele la TikTok abaningi bakipitile. They are keeping. They are costing. Bakipitile. Omakhosi benu laba abagcwele la TikTok abaningi bakipitile. Muzi umuntu ememeza, hey wemngami, ngicela ungiphathele amanzi lapho. Fuck you, bro. That's not your wife. You are costing, bro. And you are telling us that the keeping is okay, bro. Fuck you with amadlo zakho, bro. We don't care about you. We are telling you the truth. You're shit. You think we're going to beg you? We're not begging any shit here, bro. We are standing for ourselves here, bro. We are telling you the truth, bro. Angikwazi ngisho ukushada ningomakhosi ngikipitile nazinja. And you, since you are costing and you are like, no, hey, fuck you, bro. You don't tell us about amadlozi ahlule kunishadisa nobabili. I was sikuvulele ikhwama 1.5. You are even failing to take that 1.5 yoshweleze amadlozi nakho nikipitile, you fucking stupid people. Nikipitile, bro, and you guys are telling us nonsense. Don't play with us, bro. Don't fucking mess with us. We are here to tell you the truth. Nikipitile nina. Nhleli nonke hell. Yabo, cishe nje omakhosi abakhona la ka TikTok, cishe bawu3 phela abashadile nje into straight. All of them, they are costing. And ba proud. Bahleli nentombi for so long and nalezo ntombi bayithwasisile for so long. Bakipitile. Uzo nentombazane yakhona sivunguza isifebe solo. Ayiphuthini wena babe yabheda. Fuck you, bro. They didn't even go to your family to respect your parents, and I'm fighting for you, bro. And you are busy saying, I know, putting you wrong. Fuck you, bro. I know, hey, when I'm cool, I wenzi wanjalo umkhulu. Say, fuck you, bro. Umkhulu wako cannot even go. Ayo global alegini. Ukipitile wena goal. Ukipitile Thekwini, ukipitile lapha eNewcastle, ukipitile everywhere. Some of you were going for initiation and then you keep it. You stayed. Fuck you, bro. Namadlozi akho akipitisile khona lapho. Fuck you, bro. Uzumuntu ethi ngathethwa idlozi la ngithiwa Gobela, then uGobela wakho afuna ukudlwengula kanjani usiwa amadlozi, then fuck amadlozi akho, bro. Yeah, you keep it. So what do you want from me? When you are staying, you are cohabiting. You are busy saying no, Putin no wrong. Fuck you, bro. Wrong and Putin. What in Kipitile? No wrong Putin. Fuck you, bro. Akekho Putin no wrong. You guys in Kipitile. Nhleli in Kipitile. Nendumbase nenuka isex engabusisiwe. Fuck you, bro. Amadlozi akho ahlula ukureduka from Kipita. Then amadlozi akho azotshela abantu ukuthi alungise inkinga zabo. Fuck them, bro. Tell them to fuck off, bro. We are not their fools, bro. Yeah. Nikipitile nihlalisene iminyaka eminingi niqhwathile lapho nizalisene nihleli ndawonye anishadile kodwa. Fuck you, bro. Even pastors is the same. They've been cohabiting for so long, costing for so long. And you guys are saying, no, TP is wrong. Fuck you, bro. You don't know where anger is coming from. These people have been fooling you, pretending to be highly gifted to you. Yet you are higher than them in the position of life. You are able to go your lobola. Isango masaka slobola umhlakanina lo. You guys have been sitting in shit for so long and you are scared to speak the truth. And you guys are saying, no, hey, this guy's wrong, must be killed. Fuck you, bro. Killing who? Someone who speak the truth as it is, yet you are quiet about it. Nizeli ngani nga 3 nga 4 nga 5 nalabo makhosi benu. Yet they did not go to honor your family. And they are coming with to fuck them, bro. Tell them to fuck off. Nesintu sabo. Nomfane kuze nenkukhu embili ngikulungisela umsamo. Fuck you, bro. Lo mkhulu wenu weSnoop uhlala nengane ezina 22 years old. Yet yena is above even 50. Should lezi ingane ezincane madlala phambi kwakhe nibona abafazi. Fuck you, Snoopy. And you guys are coming to me and say, no, hey, Lona, hey, fuck them, bro. These people, abacabang la emakhanda. Block this motherfucker. Because you are coming here, uzobhala ngomabalengwe engahlanganise lutho nento zakhe. Wena mawufuna ukuyodelela uMabalengwe, you should have gone to him. Ungezi kwi-channel yami to delela uMabalengwe la. Let me block you. I want to show you. You don't come here to mock other people. You come here to obey what we are doing here. Oh. No, this boy is going nowhere, bruh. This boy is telling the truth. All of you are just having rambling stomachs because your stomachs are burning because nikibikile for song namadlozeni lawa sangen abafundi Spain bafeba nayo uJesu phakathi bona. Fuck you, bro. Lord Jesu wena usiza ngani weekend? Kids are getting raped by Omotoso and Lord Jesu lo ithule. Fuck him too again. We are not playing here. We are not bringing any shit on the table to beg. No, we are not. I know. Ujesu, we are. Fuck you, bro. These people, they believe in that Jesus and they get raped in the church. Yeah, no tule foot. Mama mfundi sehlisi blue. Ambulal. Yet he talk about sins. Fuck him, bro. He died for shit because he never died for the truth. He died for fame. That's why he's famous, because he died. And there's no truth that he bring to people. Fuck him, bro. Tell him to fuck off. We are tired of him. Adalilana, guys. We are going to speak the truth. If this truth hurts you, then it's okay. You can fuck off. You can take your follow and go away. We are okay. We are okay. Oh, motoso ba idlonglela baphume kwi-country behambe bengakhwetshwanga. Your Jesus is alive. You are praying to him and he's not punishing the rapers. These people that are raping, he's not punishing them. Into ofane ukuthi uyazi nje ukuthi no khona idlozi khona. Fuck you, bro. Now amadlozi are quiet amathwaselalo phakathi esigodlweni. Fuck them, bro. They've been playing our minds for so long, bro. We are tired. We are coming out and we are speaking it. We are tired, bro. We are really tired. I know. But who's going to bring justice in South Africa in these religions? I know. Don't speak like that. There are people who are homeless, yet your sangomas are driving fancy cars. They robbed some families to be rich, bruh. And you guys are quiet. You are scared. You are scared to speak out. No, you know I'm going to get killed. Fuck you, bro. We are all going to die at the end of the day. We are all going to die. At the end of the day, we are all going to the grave. Either you are here or not here. At the end of the day, we are all going to the grave. But let's speak it out. Let people know the truth. Let people know how to stand. Let people know how to fight for themselves. If a young man can be brave and stand against kingdoms, then who the fuck are you to run away from the truth? Huh? If I, as a young man, am able to stand for the truth and you guys are running away, I'm gonna get past. Fuck you, bro. You are a coward. Fuck you. You can't be a coward until you die. You've been dead for so long. You died long time ago. Some of you died in 1994. After that election of freedom, you died. And you guys are claiming, no, hey, what? No, we are taking a peek out of this pit, bro. And no, Uzofa, no, I'm ready for my death. My grave is on my way. I know what I'm doing. I know. Yeah, I don't know what is going on with you. When are you going to stand for the truth? Uzmel uthi yazini, no, yazini, I'm tired. I'm standing for the truth. Nongen busy lande lo anoto abakipitile. They've been sleeping with ladies with a free of charge. They are just bringing chaos in your life. And you guys are believing in them, paying them 400. You should have used that 400 to go and buy yourself McDonald's. You're a fool. And you are not understanding that you're a fool. You are coming here telling me that I go wrong, Chacha. Fuck you, bro. No, wrong, Chacha. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, bro. They use things to wipe their faces. For what, bro? We have problems here. My cooler and we oxygen. Fuck you, bro. Because you've been playing us for so long. We are tired. And you guys are not talking about it. talking about it. Isizephi-ke lento egcotshwa ebusweni? Don't lie to people. Speak the truth. Speak it out. Bro, I don't have a friend in my life. I don't have a friend in my life. Ulana, yes, I don't have a friend in my life. I speak the truth as it is. The way I speak the truth, I don't qualify to have a friend. I really don't qualify to have a friend. The reason why I speak the truth is because I'm tired. I'm tired. I have to tell you the truth. Akekho futhi omunye umuntu ozokutshela iqiniso ekutshela lona. Abanye abantu bazokuthi no, ezinye izinto ziyakhulunywa, ezinye akhulunywa, kumele nihlale phansi makunenkinga ilungiswe. Fuck you, bro. You think we've been not sitting to try and fix this? We've been, and nothing has been helping out. People have been lying and running around the bush. And you guys are busy chasing lies. You are believing in them. Msize mkhulu. Yet your mkhulu is hungry part Scotland, taking your 30,000 from your empty pocket. You are there for help, but you are called. Thathelwe imali, but utuyela usizo. Mawusizwa phela sizwa for free uphuma uhambe. Why you shoot 30,000 mawusizwa? Bathumela impukane le today. Ngeke ngenze lutho nale mpukane. No le mpukane nje ifuna ukungibulala le nje. Ngikho ukill nje le njane. Manje sengilibele ngiqinwa yilokhu ngenxa le njane. I'm going to kill le nje le mpukane. Yeah. Going to kill le nje le. I found it. Death. Yeah. Now sengayicima ke lento yami sengibulele le mpukane. Namhlanje ngithumela impukane. The next thing zobe ngithumela igundwana ngithi ziza neninyosi namhlathi ezinje. Sinuphi toki sending impukane la. Kusasa ngizobe ngisenda inyosi na ihlama. I killed it. Tshela no Snoop uthi impukane yakhe ifile yena. Mina akwazi ungithumelele izilwane. Ngisho ungathumela imfene, mina ifika kimi ngidubule ngiqede ngiyipheke, ngidle. I'm telling you. Ngisho kufika imfene la, imfene ifika sidubule sipheke thina la ekhaya. Adlali nje nawe. Siyayidubula imfene yakho sipheke. Wena ubona ingabuyanga ubone thina sipost ikhanda sithi nice meal. Ubone uthi ya lapha kuyashuba. Yeah. Nansi isidumbu sayo. You guys want isidumbu sayo nansi. Nasi isidumbu sayo yayibona. Ngishayile idizi ayikakafi sasedizi ngishayile and into engizoyenza njengamanje ufuna ukuyifaka phakathi etoilet ngiyiflash ihamba iphila so shonele phakathi. I'm going ngiyabuya. Okay bro. Yeah, I'm done. Ngageza nesandla. Izandla ezinhle. Ebamba umfazi omuhle. Ezami izandla ezobamba abafazi. Bafazi na indoda eningayethemba nonke eniyikhantri indoda yeqiniso. Hayi lamadodena agwaqasa biqiniso. Na indoda ekhantri indoda engalisabi nje iqiniso indoda yake ngaba indoda ekhantri. Imina nobaba umkhwanazi amadoda lekhantri. Amadoda alimela iqiniso, hayi amadoda econtent. Amadoda alimela iqiniso. Yithi amadoda ekhantri mina nobaba umkhwanazi amadoda alimela iqiniso. Laba abanye hayi they are just there nje ba represent ukuthi unjani umuntu wesilisa but abakwazi ukukhuluma iqiniso. Nozwane kukhona ke la uyena uLasbon wasekhaya. Umax upush content akakhuluma iqiniso upush content. Because at the end of the day uMax uyafonela abantu abagconayo abatshela ukuthi hey ngitalabhile ngale. I don't do that shit, bro. They call me and say, hey, bro, please kiss and block me. Fuck you, bro. Yeah. You guys are running away from this truth. Yeah. Yeah, fanele ube nezandla ezinhle so. Awukwazi uba nezandla engathi amalulwane nje. Izandla fanele zibe zinhle so. You have to have cute hands. Your hands are supposed to be cute. Even your toes, they have to be cute. Izandla zendoda ebusekile eqiniso. Njengoba uthandana noGobela nje isho ngezandla engathi ezenja. Njengoba uthandana noGobela onezandla engathi ezokuloya. Uyabona nje nawe izandla zikaGobela wakho lothandana naye ukuthi this one is not make sure. Yeah. Tell them, bro. Angizidli vele izandla ngizidlelana. No, I don't do that shit, bro. I hold flies with them and wash them. Then how can I eat from them? No, I don't do that.